Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how you can build brand awareness and equity using Stackia's email and automation features. Sending newsletters to your subscribers with different launch announcements, offers, or even testimonials and other data that is helpful, and doing it consistently helps people get familiar with your brand and its values. So let's see how you can make this process as easy as possible with Stackia. First, let's create an email template with your brand colors and add it to an automation flow. You can add other automation features in the flow once you start regularly sending out the emails. You can customize the triggers and actions by dragging and dropping icons from the menu here. So you're just gonna drag and drop the email icon and add the details here, just adding an example subject. Now make sure to check this box. When you are sending newsletters, you'll have to add your address details, and it will also add a link for the receiver to opt out of these emails, and they will automatically remove them from this list. Now let's create the email itself. We're going to click on edit email, and you can just add text here, but you can also go to the visual email builder for your newsletters. So here you'll see different components that you can just add to your email. There's also some preloaded templates that you can customize. You can see all the options here. You can choose something that goes with your brand colors or has a similar theme. There's lots of options here, so let's see. Now let's select this one. You can edit all the elements, the font and size of the text, the color. You can also change the images. So here you can see, you just have to click on the box and the options will appear on the right side panel and also near the box when it's a text. So you can edit all the elements. So supposing your brand colors are orange and purple, let's change this orange to purple here. Just click that and you can choose your color from here. Yes, again you can change the image, you can change the colors, and you can customize all the elements as much as you want so that they go with your brand's theme. So let me change that again. So you can keep changing it till it's a right template for your company and for your brand. Now you've got your basic template. You can go ahead and save it from under actions. You can give it a title like brand colors, for example, and then go ahead and save. You can view your templates by clicking here, and in my templates you'll be able to see all the ones that you've created. So let's go ahead and save this email now and click on save again. It will be added to your flow. Now we want to have a form that captures information of those people who opt in for your newsletters. So this form can capture leads from your website, customer support chats, wherever. And you have the contacts from this form in your main database. But we want to send newsletters only to those people who have opted in, not all of your contacts. So let's add an automation to add a tag to the contacts captured from this particular form. Let's go to automations to add this tag. Click on create flow. Here we are going to add the trigger of contact added from the form. So from under the trigger type, we are going to add form submission and then choose the opt-in form. And then the opt-in form and add the trigger. So any new submission will trigger the next action here, which will be to add a tag to the contact. So let's drag and drop that from under logic. We're going to choose subscriber to be added as a tag. So every time this form is submitted, the subscriber tag will automatically get added to that contact. Now the last step is to add those contacts to the newsletter flow that we created. Here you can see there's no contacts added to this flow. So we're just going to go to contacts from our menu, and you'll see that all the contacts are here with the tags. We don't want all of them, just the ones who opted in for our newsletter. So just to make it easier, we'll choose subscriber from the filter and add that filter. So you'll see only the contacts which have this tag added to them. Now we can select all of these and add them to our flow by clicking this button. Just choose our newsletters flow from the drop down and click on OK. We can actually go and check out in automations again, and there you go, your contacts have been added here. So every time you send a newsletter, it will only be sent to these specific contacts. You can customize all these automations as much as you want, depending on your business needs and your specific needs and goals. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to Stackia and check out our website to learn more about all our marketing features and tools.